Matthew's here, about to drop in our turkey. Our turkey, uncooked, looking good.
I slipped my
Matthew?
hand up its butt.
Oh, you know this thing's on, right?
Yeah, I know.
Alright, you say hi to Annie, Carol, and Oma, Uncle Dennis,
Oh, it's getting on my pants.
Jess. Alright, you ready?
Hey.
Alright, here, you can hold it while I drop it in.
Thank you.
Got me?
Yeah, he's
Ready?
up here ready. Oh, wait,
Here
wait.
we go. Sizzle, sizzle.
Ew.
Ah, shoot. I put in too much oil.
It's overflowing. I'm going to do a twist attack. And there it goes. And it's gone.
The thing is on the grass.
Yeah, you said I'm bad at this.
Put in too much oil.
And the smoke rises and rises. Jesus, Washington.
You think that thing? Okay. You think that's gonna hang out? Alright.
Still smoke in the air.
Good thing I turned this off.
Or else it'd probably be on fire. There's the food.
Watch out. I'm gonna step away from it.
Okay, here we go. This is gonna probably be funny.
Yeah.
Come on. Light something on fire. This is taking him forever. There we go. We still got like 6 minutes left. Or like 4.
Good? How
Yeah.
much time we got left? 4?
I don't know. I guess
4?
that's it.
We're
We had
good.
like
We're
6.
cooking. We're cooking with gas now.
Yeah, we had like 6 last time. Still rolling.
Alright, cool. We're good.